Hey everybody, this is Barry here with Southern RV. We are in our campground taking a look at this Camco 30 amp circuit analyzer and surge protector. This is something that we have in our store and available to buy. It's a nifty little product. We're going to unbox it and show you exactly how it works. So, as I was saying, this is a circuit analyzer. Let's get it out of the box here. I'm going to set this right over here. Now this plugs into the pedestal at the campground, and then your RV plugs into it. As you can see, we have some LED lights at the top and a panel grid there that shows us what those mean. Now what we're looking for is bad circuits, bad connections, bad hots, bad grounds. Typically though, what we want to see when we plug it in is that this left and right dot at the top light up yellow. That tells us we have a good connection. The box has some more instructions inside on how to use it, but it's pretty simple. All we have to do is open up our pedestal. We want to make sure the breaker is in the off position. Then we're going to take our surge protector and circuit analyzer and we're going to plug it in to the 30 amp service point. Then we're going to flip our breaker back on, and once we do that, if we look here, we can see these two little lights came on, the yellow and the yellow on the outside, the red on the center is not on. That tells us we have a good circuit. Now that's huge information to have in a campground before you plug your camper up. Now that we know this circuit is good, we're going to flip the breaker back to the off position. We're going to get our cord from our camper, plug it straight into here, and now we can flip our breaker back on and it's going to power the camper. The best part about this is now we have a built-in surge protector between the box and the camper. Pretty slick. It's a neat little product. It's available in our store. Come out and see us here in McDonough, or just give us a call at 770-477-0552 if you have any questions. Until next time, happy RVing.